Hi, I'm Meg and this is my room. Can you see my bed? Yes, I'm using an invisible bed. I've been using this bed for the last 5 years and I love it. I know, it looks like magic, but it's real. This is me and my brother 4 years ago.
And this is us now. 4 years later, same invisible bed, same children, just older.
But wait, that's not the twist. I proudly present to you my father. He's the founder of Invisible Bed.
And we don't just make invisible beds, we use them in our own homes. We sleep on it every night, we grow on them, and we trust them.
That's why this bed is special.